What is up, YouTube? Okay, so do we see this? This is gonna run all the way to this on a 1996 Ford F-150. The reason I'm doing this video is because there are no videos on how to do this on a 96 Ford F-150. The part that you're gonna get is this one, 85808. Alright, and it looks something like this. Alright, so with that being said, since I ain't got no type of wiring or anything, when I got this truck, they took it all off. We're gonna splice this little 12-volt wire from here all the way to here, and this should turn on and off whenever you turn on and off your headlights. So we will get back to that and I will show you the end result. Sorry, this video sounds a little weird. This is my first video, so bear with me, guys.